Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to install and configure Pokemon Randomizer. First, download the latest version of the Universal Pokemon Randomizer ZX from the official GitHub releases page. Then, ensure Java 8 64-bit or higher is installed on your system. Now extract the downloaded zip file to a folder on your computer. Run the appropriate launcher script for your operating system. Then, load your Pokemon ROM into the randomizer. Configure your desired randomization settings. After that, click the Randomize button to generate your randomized ROM. Save the randomized ROM to your desired location. Load the randomized ROM into your preferred emulator to start playing. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.